This tree-cutting beast is slicing through timber, like it's auditioning for King Kong. Snow's falling, but it doesn't care. Pure pro-level action. Who else thinks this machine's unstoppable? The crane's arm stretches out like a giant's hand, lifting logs harvested from last night. It's loading up with precision. But hey, why are the smaller logs going at the bottom? Some secret pro trick? This beast doesn't stop. It's a workhorse in the wild. Look at that beast. A timber truck battling the swamp like it's just another Tuesday. Thick mud clings to its tires, and the engine roars like a bull charging through. This isn't a job for the faint-hearted. It's a wild ride through the untamed wilderness. But hey, here's a thought. What if you were in the driver's seat of this unstoppable machine? Could you tame the beast or end up stuck in the muck? Either way, hats off to these drivers. They make the impossible look like a daily commute.